Hey guys, today I'm introducing the bluechem Radiator Antifreeze Coolant. So it's a weird name, but different area calls it differently. Some calls it antifreeze, some calls it coolant, but basically it's the same thing. The traditional coolant is the inorganic formulations that it can last for 20,000 kilometers per change, but the newer version of coolant and antifreeze is using the OAT, which is the organic acids formulation that can last up to 60,000 kilometers. So the good things about the organic formulation is that the active ingredient is used very little every time to inhibit corrosions or oxidation. It also has much better heat transfer than the traditional coolant. So I recommend the bluechem Radiator Antifreeze Coolant. So check this out. It also comes in different color, in red, blue, orange, and also this. The freezing point of this coolant is minus 37 degrees Celsius, and it can actually mix with water with a 2:1 water to product ratio, and then you will get a minus 16 degrees Celsius coolant. So overall, it's a very useful and value for money product. Thank you for your time. That's it for today. Peace out.